Hi, welcome to EnableVC. These people look really fixed and focused. It's unusual for me presenting. So anyway, we've got a short video for you today on a MAXHUB UC BM35, which we are bringing into stock in the next few days for trade. So take a look and get in touch. Okay, nice modern box that's recyclable, which is quite nice. Speakerphone inside, and then the packaging looks all recyclable with USB-C to A and a Bluetooth dongle which is paired in the factory to speakerphone. Right, connecting up this MAXHUB speakerphone various ways. You've got the Bluetooth dongle, which I've got in my laptop at the moment, or it could be Bluetooth from your phone, which you could do two at once. NFC connection via Android, or you can plug the USB-C to A cable in, and that's also used for charging. So if we just go ahead and switch this on, give it a couple of seconds to warm up, and the light will give a little flash to indicate that it's done. So there we go. Just hit the Bluetooth button to connect us up. And then you've got the light indicator for volume. So that's how it's done. Right, let's put the mics to the test. If you look on the unit, you can see the blue light indicator, which is locating me using the beamforming mics, of which there's two on either side of the unit. So if I was to go the other side and talk over here, you can see the blue light indicator now knows where I am, so that works nicely. Okay, so let's do a quick mic test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that was easy. So let's now try this noise cancellation. Let's have a go at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can hear the slight clipping there, which is taking out the background noise for typing, shouting, dog barking, etc. So that works nicely. Now they say 6 meter radius, so one thing for it. Let's put it to the test. Okay, measured out the 6 meters. Let's do the 6 meter test. I'll count out to where the 6 meters is and then make my way back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I know what you're thinking, 20 seconds to do 12 meters is fairly slow, plus I walked into the coffee machine, but hopefully you could hear me. So quick overview of this product: 6 meter range, 8 beamforming mics, woofer tweeter speaker built in, nice light indicators to see where you are for volume, battery life, 15 hours battery for voice, rechargeable on the USB and connection. Connect your phone to it, NFC or Bluetooth, and great for popping the Bluetooth into the back of a camera device like we've got here for BYOD in a smaller meeting room, or double up cascade mode for a larger meeting room. We have these in stock, and they're a great price as well. So good, thanks for watching. Any questions? No, good. So get in touch if you would like to see more on social media. You will find us that way, and email that way. Smooth production. Thanks.